Hello guys, my name is Sydney. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to program and create Forex robots. Some call it EA or EA Expert if I'm not mistaken. So yes, we are going to learn how to create the robot. Even I myself, I don't know how to, so we are going to go through this journey together. And as time goes on, hopefully we're going to get better at it. So basically, if you go to your MetaTrader 5, okay, I've attached this. Here is an example of an EA expert advisor, right? Came with the MT5. So as you can see, I attached it here. Let me just remove and reattach. So remove expert. Let me just close this trade that it opened. Close. So what we do is that, as you can see here on the navigators tab, you can see that these are examples of expert advisors. So I'm going to now put this one on my chart, and you have to make sure that you allow the algo trading, and you also have to ensure that here you see it's off, but you always have to make sure that it's on. And if you see now, it has opened the trade for me based on whatever strategy that came with it. So basically, sometimes it's not so easy for us as traders to always sit in front of the computer and place trades. That's where expert advisors come in handy. With an expert advisor, we can be able to do our daily things while the expert advisor just trades for us based off of our strategies. So yes, that's what we're going to be doing, and in the next video I will be explaining all about the syntax, everything about MQL5, the identifiers, reserved words. So yes guys, I'll see you in the next video.